So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC physics exam revision series, we have here this one question to answer on the topic energy, and this will be on forms of energy. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and answer this question together. It says here, the energy stored in a simple cell is A, nuclear, B, chemical, C, electrical, D, thermal. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's chemical. The energy stored in a simple cell is chemical energy. So it is this chemical energy that is converted to electrical energy during the electrochemical series. So option B is the answer to this question, and that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. This will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.